Neatly formed rolled sushi. The commercial value would be higher when the cutting surface is clear and even. However, technique is necessary to cut rolls manually. The Norimaki cutter ASM250 offers you the solution. Anyone can make rolled sushi from large size to small size beautifully, safely, and quickly using this Norimaki cutter ASM250. Apply AUTEC oil spray evenly onto the necessary parts before operation. Assemble these machine parts correctly. Turn on the power switch. Set rolled sushi on the guide and press the start buttons on the right and left. Nicely cut rolled sushi is dropped onto the bottom tray. Work efficiency is improved as there is no need to control switches for recovery after cutting. The power is designed to turn off when the lid is open even a little. Press the emergency switch in case of an emergency. The ASM250 is capable of cutting rolled sushi in various thicknesses. The lighter machine parts simplify daily cleaning, assembling, and disassembling. The ASM250 is an electric Norimaki cutter which cuts rolled sushi safely and efficiently. It adopts the newly developed dive cut method and one-push automated return feature.